On-device AI is driving the next computing era. By utilizing local hardware, devices are becoming more powerful and intelligent than ever before. Unlike cloud AI, which relies on external servers and can cause processing lag, on-device AI keeps data local for instant, responsive processing. This shift offers significant advantages: enhanced privacy for your personal data, faster speeds with zero latency, offline capabilities, and reduced costs by eliminating server fees. Modern hardware is optimized for these tasks. CPUs handle general workloads, GPUs manage parallel matrices, and NPUs are dedicated to neural operations while maximizing battery efficiency. Engineers use quantization to compress massive AI models. By converting 32-bit floating point numbers into 8-bit integers, they significantly reduce memory usage. Other techniques include pruning, which removes redundant network weights to lower computational demand, and distillation, where a compact student model learns from a massive teacher model. Platforms like Android are integrating AI natively. With the Android AI Core and Gemini Nano, devices can now process complex text and analyze offline audio locally. Developers have powerful tools to build intelligent applications. Google ML Kit provides ready-to-use models, MediaPipe handles live media, and Executorch enables PyTorch inference on-device. Optimization is key. Tools like the Samsung Exynos AI Studio allow developers to tune generative models, balancing strict computational limits while maintaining high inference accuracy. Real-world applications are already here. From instant language translation and dynamic photo capture to faster address entry and accessible image descriptions, on-device AI is making a tangible difference. On-device hardware even enables real-time ray tracing and the transformation of 2D photos into 3D environments, setting a new standard for mobile media. However, we still face physical limits. AI operations are intensive, placing a heavy strain on device power, computational cycles, and memory resources. To overcome these challenges, the Edge Intelligence Framework unifies NPU hardware, software tools, and model optimization to deliver a seamless user experience. Ultimately, AI is poised to replace traditional app interfaces. Devices will soon predict our needs instantly, marking the beginning of the next great computing era.